guys, so we are now in Switzerland and we've settled down and we are waiting for our bus. We are on our way to the Lindt chocolate tour. So let's see if we can get some slot there because online there's no more slots available, and my friend said that there should be some slots available right there at the entrance of Lindt. So hopefully we'll be able to do the tour today for the Lindt chocolate and we will enjoy the day. The weather is so nice. If you could see my background, the mountains, it's so beautiful, and the air is just so fresh and everything is just so lovely here in Switzerland. So I'm gonna give you an update in a bit. Hi guys, so we finally arrived at Lindt Chocolate Factory and we're able to get the slot for 2 o'clock. So we're just waiting for the time, we're just killing the time. And also we took photo of that giant chocolate fountain. And yeah, so we're just waiting for our time and I'm so excited to vlog later to see the rest of the chocolate. It smells so good here. Like the moment you enter the building, it's just so sweet. Like it smells so sweet and so chocolatey, obviously. But yeah, so I'm gonna give you an update in a bit. Hi guys, so we're here and look who's here. Nay naabot diri, nagkiyat lang dagway.
Welcome to Lindt Chocolate Factory. It is the diabetes
haven. Yeah, so nado si koan Madam Arche. Naabot og Switzerland og nag-abot mi diri. Hi guys, so we are now at the chocolate Lindt shop, gift shop, and there's loads of chocolates here. A lot of choices, pero I don't think I will buy because nobody will eat the chocolate. So I'm just gonna show you. Malula mo guys. Here, there's loads here, and that's the chocolate bars. Look, there's so much, and these are the famous Lindt chocolate. You will see everything until there on the edge, at the end of the pile. So, and that's some of the chocolate as well. And there's more here, just like the M&Ms, but it's just Lindt chocolate there. So and there's more around here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy. Yummy. Everything is chocolate. Hi guys, so this is the last part of the tour, which is you can have everything, all of the flavors, you can try them and have a taste of all the flavors of the Lindt chocolate. It's just so much sweet, so I didn't try all of it, but I will try one of them. This is where we are earlier. The giant Lindt chocolate. So we're just going to the ferry now, and then we gonna board the. Let's go this way. We gonna board, huh? No, my car. We will board the ferry to the Zurich Central, and yeah, so I'm gonna give an update in a bit. Hi guys, so we are now at Zurich City Central. We're gonna explore the city. We went to the ferry from the Lindt chocolate factory, and now we are going to explore the city here at Zurich. And look at my view, it's so beautiful. Everything is just so lovely here, and yeah, so I just fell in love with the city, and yeah, so let's explore. I'm gonna take as much video as I can because the camera is low bat. I'm so sorry, so maybe I'm just gonna insert some clips here from the phone, but yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I could. Then I'm gonna give you an update in a bit. Thank you, see you later, bye.